In July 2023, Boeing faced a decline in aircraft deliveries attributed to ongoing supply chain challenges impacting the production of its 737 model, according to a report by Reuters. The aerospace company experienced a setback in its delivery schedule, reflecting the persistent hurdles within its supply chain. These difficulties have spotlighted the complex web of factors influencing the aviation industry's recovery and production efficiency in the post-pandemic landscape. Boeing delivered 43 aircraft to customers last month as it tries to ramp up output, with airline customers clamoring for new jets. The handovers were down from 60 in June, but brought Boeing's total deliveries in the first 7 months of the year to 309, an increase of nearly 28% from the same period in 2022. Last month, Boeing said it was transitioning production of its best-selling 737 MAX plane to a pace of 38 a month from 31. Despite production problems earlier this year and a brief strike at key supplier Spirit AeroSystems, Boeing's CFO Brian West last month reiterated the company still expects to deliver 400 to 450 MAX jets this year. Boeing's chief rival, Airbus, last week said it has handed over 381 planes in the first 7 months of the year. Boeing said it logged net orders for 52 aircraft in July, which included a firmed-up order from Saudi Arabian Airlines or Saudia for 39 Boeing 787 Dreamliners, a deal first announced in March. Boeing has revealed the exact order split for specific types of aircraft, including the 737 MAXes and 777-8X in its latest order and deliveries filing. The filings, which were updated as of July 31, 2023, show that the United States-based plane maker has amassed a total of 363 net orders for the entire 777X family, split between 8 for the 777-8X, 55 for the 777-8F, and 300 for the 777-9X. Gross orders were 43, 55, and 322 respectively. In June 2023's filings, the manufacturer disclosed that Emirates ordered 16 777Xs, despite the airline already having a backlog of 150 aircraft since its order for the type in November 2013. The order was firmed up in July 2014. The Dubai International Airport DXB-based airline became one of the launch customers of the type during the Dubai Air Show in November 2013, when Boeing launched the program with a total of 259 agreements from 4 customers across Europe and the Middle East. Apart from Emirates, Etihad Airways, Lufthansa, and Qatar Airways were the other 3. According to Aviation.com data, Etihad Airways remains the only airline with orders for the 777-8X, with orders for the 777-8X having placed 8 orders for the aircraft type. Halfway through the year, the aerospace recovery is still going strong, but Airbus is outpacing US rival Boeing. Through June of this year, Airbus netted 1,044 new aircraft orders, roughly quadruple the 259 orders the European plane maker took in the first half of last year. By contrast, Boeing has scored only 415 new orders versus 186 during the same period in 2022. Both companies will continue to see increases in new orders this year, though Boeing continues to slide into a distant second place in market share. So their backlogs of unfilled orders keep expanding. Airbus 7,967 versus 7,046 in June 2022, Boeing 4,879, up from 4,239 at this point last year. The bigger question is how quickly the plane makers can increase deliveries to customers amid ongoing supply chain issues. Both Airbus 316 first-half deliveries versus 295 in 2022 and Boeing 266 first-half deliveries compared with 216 in 2022 have made some progress in this area and are opening new production facilities to speed up the process. But with certain components and materials, semiconductors, titanium, etc., still strained, it will not always be smooth sailing. Boeing BAN Chief Executive Dave Calhoun on Tuesday said it could take until the end of 2024 to iron out sector-wide supply chain problems that have hampered global jetliner production. Priority 1 for the 2 airplane manufacturers is stability, Calhoun told the Qatar Economic Forum, referring to Boeing and its main European rival Airbus AIRPA. We have to resolve the supply chain issues and the surprise associated with it, and we have to resolve it sort of once and for all, Calhoun told the Bloomberg-organized event in Doha. If you found today's video informative, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and turning on notifications for future updates. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the recent Boeing aircraft deliveries fall in July as company plans to raise output. Let us know your opinions in the comment section below. Your engagement is valuable to us.